Farmak is a Czech pharmaceutical and chemical company focused on research and development, production and sales of active pharmaceutical ingredients. It also produces intermediates and chemical specialties. Chemical production in the premises of the company has a long tradition dating back to 1934. The company was known as Farmak EN National Company as of the early 1950s, with a focus on production of active pharmaceutical ingredients and vitamins. The current Farmak was established as a joint stock company in 1992. 4 years later, Farmak EN National Company was acquired by Farmak, bringing about major changes involving focusing on foreign markets, primarily on the basis of systematic applications of the results of its own research and development. Farmak is situated on the suburbs of Olomouc, a university city with a history spanning nearly 1,000 years. Olomouc ranks among the most important cultural and historical centers in the Czech Republic. Visitors can enjoy a wide range of historical sites. Olomouc has always been a particularly attractive locale for both trade and tourism. Olomouc is a major crossroads for key European roads and railway lines. The city is easily accessible from the Prague and Vienna airports. Farmak is primarily focused on export, amounting to almost 90% of its overall turnover. Farmak maintains business contacts with more than 40 countries, mostly on regulated markets. Its key export territories include European, North American, and selected Asian and South American countries. The basis of Farmak's business strategy consists of its own research, development and production of generic active pharmaceutical ingredients, particularly in chemistry from the area of heterocyclic compounds. Farmak's research and development team works in modern facilities. Procedures aimed at preparing organic substances are developed and optimized in Farmak's synthetic and technology laboratories. The attained results are evaluated in its research and development analytical labs, equipped for fast and accurate quantitative and structural analysis with highly sophisticated instrumentation, including a nuclear magnetic resonance spectrometer and high-performance liquid chromatography with a high-definition mass spectrometer. A number of the procedures for active pharmaceutical ingredients preparations are covered by own patents. The key to Farmak's success and growth resides not only in the innovation of its own research and development, but also in the company's highly qualified staff. The majority of the employees are university or secondary school graduates. Their professional skills are continuously upgraded at in-house and external training courses and workshops. Farmak's technological procedures developed in the research laboratories are tested and further optimized in its Kilo Lab, equipped with instrumentation making work possible under a temperature range from -90 to +200 degrees Celsius. The backbone of this unit features 2 reactors with a volume of 60 liters each. This facility prepares batches starting from hundreds of grams up to 5 kilos. In light of the fact that current good manufacturing practice is implemented in this facility, the unit may also be used for commercial production. Larger reactor volumes are available in the pilot plant facility. The operating volumes of the reactors range from 250 to 1,000 liters. This facility is designed for both testing and optimizing research and development outputs, and for commercial production of batches up to 30 kilos. Farmak's commercial production facilities are situated in 3 different buildings, with full-scale manufacturing processes underway, from the first intermediate to the final product. The first 2 facilities have almost 100 cubic meters of reaction volume at their disposal in glass-lined and stainless steel jacketed reactors. The capacity of a typical reactor is 1,600 liters. The largest has a volume of 6,000 liters. The reaction temperature as well as the stirring speed can be controlled with high accuracy. To isolate and dry the individual substances, centrifuges, dryers, and filter dryers are used. A number of the devices designed for work with corrosive materials are made of Hastelloy. The third facility is the final treatment area, designated for sieving, milling and micronization. The products are consequently packed and adjusted in this building. The final products are stored in fully air-conditioned storage facilities corresponding to world standards. The products are protected from the effects of light, higher temperature and moisture. The storage conditions are carefully monitored and recorded. The Quality Control Department provides the needed analytical services for production, research and development, as well as environmental control. This is duly reflected in its laboratory equipment, including devices for gravimetric determination, automated titration, as well as spectral methods. The department also makes use of a number of tools for high-performance liquid chromatography and gas chromatography. Raw materials, packaging materials, intermediates and final products are tested here. Also, production samples are analyzed here as a part of the in-process control. The cleanliness of the production equipment and wastes is tested by the Quality Control Department too. To analyze particle size distribution, a laser analyzer is primarily used. Farmak's quality assurance system has been implemented for the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients in compliance with the requirements of the ISO 9001 standard and the current good manufacturing practice. This system is regularly inspected by the Czech State Institute for Drug Control and the American FDA. Farmak is also inspected by the TIF Certification Authority and audited by the customers. Besides implementation and maintenance of the quality system, the department is also responsible for preparation of the registration documentation for customers. Environmental protection is a part of the system too, with Farmak meeting the strictest limits set by domestic and EU legislation. Farmak has been the holder of the Responsible Care Award for a number of years. Farmak is a business partner open to new opportunities in contract manufacturing, custom synthesis, as well as analytical services, with an interest in developing new business contacts.